know so many of us have been doing a lot of online purchases recently. We just cannot avoid online purchases for safety reasons. Most of us find ourselves shopping online more. So in this video, I'll be sharing tips that would keep us safe while we shop online. Tips that could prevent us from being scammed or being victims of fraud. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back again today with something juicy, spicy, and hot as always. Yes, I hope you've all been keeping safe and you are all doing well. This is very, very important. And the month of October is mental health awareness month, so it's very, very important for us to be conscious of this. Our state of mind, it's paramount at all times. Be happy and make sure people around you are happy as well. We owe ourselves that duty. So let's go right into the video. I might take the camera off my face at some point. I will be unboxing my Attitude package. I got this online, and that was when I just thought about the fact that, oh, I should do a video about buying online, because then another thing happened. I always ordered for something online and it seems like we've been scammed. I hope not, really. So I just thought it's good for me to share this while we unbox my Attitude package. I think I would have to take this off my face so that we can have a good view of the product. It's a big box, and this is the first time I'm buying from this brand online, and I just thought, okay, there might be people out there as well doing a lot of online buying recently. Yeah, the brand is a Canadian brand. They make their products here in Canada, and yeah, can you see they have over 200 products at attitudelive.com. It's not a paid advert, it's just that I've come to love their products, so I'm changing I'm changing to the products now. And for every of these products that you buy, you are planting a tree as well. I find the product very friendly. I did a video about eco-friendly business. I talked about this product. I got the product from Costco the first time I bought it, and I saw that it was a good brand. Like the fact that there was no smell, there was no choking smell, made me fall in love with the brand. And because it's eco-friendly, it's product made out of nature, that's one thing that attracted me to the brand. And after using one of their products, I think I love the brand. Okay, all right, so the first thing you need to know before you buy online, because recently I've received tons of marketing emails, buy this, telling us about their product, telling me this is good, this is that, even Instagram DM as well. So the first thing you need to do before buying online is do a proper research. That's number one. Research the product, research the company, as in know everything about the brand, just to be sure that they are not out to scam you. Like the product I bought was this one, all-purpose cleaner disinfectant, 99%. That was the one I bought, and I went to their website, I went to their Instagram, I even sent them a DM just to be sure that I'm dealing with the right brand. Do you understand? So that's number one. Do a proper research. This is the fruit and vegetable wash. It's so nice, and because a lot of pesticide that you have to get rid of, it's something I find very, very useful. Normally, before I got this fruit and vegetable wash, I soak my fruits with this pure vinegar. That's what I use in soaking my fruit. If you're in Canada, get this for your fruits. It's always advisable. These are no-name brands. They are very cheap. Maybe it's like $1 or $2. And this is their dishwashing liquid. I'm yet to use this, so I really cannot say. Maybe after using it, I would come with another review. But this all-purpose cleaner, I use it very well, and it has been very, very good around the house for me. So that's number one. Do a proper research. Then please, if you have to buy online at all, if you have to go to any e-commerce websites, try as much as possible to do so from the comfort of your home. don't log into any website outside your own, because especially if you need to make payments online for anything you're buying, please do it at home. And if you have to do it outside at all, if you are so constrained and you cannot get home before, don't use a public Wi-Fi. Not for anything in the world should you use a public Wi-Fi. Use your data. And this is another one that and please read instructions very well. Like in this case, there was an error. I just read it and saw that, oh, it was what's it called, a sunscreen product, but by the time it arrived, it's not what I wanted exactly. So I did not read the product label very well. It's not what I wanted. Ensure that you're on the right website. Whenever you're shopping online, be sure you're on the right website. And there are security features that you need to watch out for. Make sure it has the HTTPS or a lock. And this air purifier, I love the smell. It smells so nice. And this is another air purifier, natural air purifier. It's well packed and stuff. I love this smell as well. Baby leaves. I love this as well. It's so nice. You can see it says eliminate odors, and yes, it does. It's a good air purifier. Eliminate. Yeah, this is the last one, the bathroom cleaner. I've not used this, so I might be doing a review sometime soon, but this is what it looks like. And like I said, it is eco-friendly. See, it's packed like this right from the box. It's a refill tap. That's all I got. These are eco-friendly products. The product is affordable. Everything cost me about $50 or $60, and I just love the bottles. It's so attractive. I'll leave a link to the website in the description box. You can always check them out and know where they ship to and know everything about the company. So we said research the product very well, research the brand, be sure that they are brands that you want to buy from, and be sure that they are original, and the security features on their website is something you have to be mindful of as well. Make sure you're on the right website. These are things you really have to be careful about and be mindful of. Make sure you're on the right website, not a third-party website. And even if it's a third-party website, make sure it is secured, okay? Try as much as possible to restrict yourself to familiar websites like Amazon, like Sephora. You know, recently I must tell you, I've received tons of marketing emails, you know, so unfamiliar brands. So if you receive such emails, don't click on the link. You can just copy the link and go to another browser to check. Don't click on any email link or any link in the email that is sent to you by marketers, or even from anywhere at all. Just when you're shopping, shop with your credit card, because it's safe to use credit card. Yes, take that from me. If you're buying online, use your credit card. Even financial institution will tell you this. We can always report fraud, and the card provider would investigate the fraud. Like credit card company have a level of protection on your card. Anything that seems too good to be true, stay away from it. Any offer that seems like it's too juicy to be true, run away from it. Another thing is, if you would have to spend online at all, you could cap it down to like $50. Don't go overboard when you're buying online. Don't make high volume of purchase, especially if you are shopping in an unfamiliar website. Another thing, always read the return policy when you're shopping online. If the return policy is not within the days that you could report fraud, like if you most card providers always advise that fraud can be reported between 30 to 60 days, like that's the window. So you should be mindful of this when you're shopping online. Check their return policy, check their delivery policy as well. Like check their delivery duration, okay? If it's a scam and the delivery duration says it will be delivered in 90 days, then it might be too late for you to report to your card provider. So always, these are little pointers telling you if it's a scam or not, okay? I know there are some reviews that we cannot depend on, but take the pain to read through the review. You could go to their Instagram page and see what people have said about them. You know, when you go through the comment section, people would definitely say something bad or something good about the brand. There will be like a complaint that's been in the past. So these are things you need to be mindful of. Read the comments if they have Instagram pages. Read the comments section. Then if you're on the website, read the reviews, like what are people saying about them. And there's any brand that you are seeing for the first time or you are not so comfortable with, if you type in their name on the browser, just put the word scam behind it. That would pop up anything that has been said about them that is related to scam. So by doing that, you'll be able to read more if they've been involved in any type of scam, if there's any testimony of scam about them. These are ways you know as well. Some of these websites have membership programs. They tell you to sign up and have an account with them. Like with this Attitude, when I went to their website, I saw that, oh, I could sign up and be a member. And some of them even give you some percentage if you sign up, if you activate an account with them, you know. So if you have the option of signing up for an account with them, please sign up. It's always advisable to sign up with them. These are ways to let you know that, okay, to some extent, they can be trusted. That doesn't say it can't be scammed. Then always double check your delivery address. Always. Even if you have your delivery address saved on there, like on Amazon, every time I shop on Amazon, I always double check my delivery address, because you never can say maybe a postal code error is there, or like there's an error. I really don't enjoy the back and forth with online buying of, oh, change this, do this. That's a whole lot to deal with. So always double check your delivery address. Then another thing that I want to point out is always check your statements, like check your in and out. I bought something on Sephora recently and my card was charged twice. I don't know. Okay, before then there was a precedent. I just checked my statement and I saw that since I subscribed to Amazon Audible, I've been charged $14 times 2 monthly. That's like $28. And about what happened, but I just checked my account and I saw that monthly my Audible subscription was charged twice, one from Canada, one from the UK. I was hysterical, like why? And that has been going on for like 6 months. Yeah, that has been going on for like 6 months. Wow. That was, I suspended, like I just paused my subscription. Let's sort this out first. So this is one thing you need to do while you shop online. And I also noticed that when I shopped on Sephora recently, I was charged twice. My card was billed twice. Though that was reversed as soon as I notified them, like what happened, why the double billing, and they said it was something that has to do with their system. So if I had not noticed, I'm sure that would have just gone, and because it was until I called them, I think it was after 24 hours or something that I called, that I saw this transaction twice in my account. So that's another thing you need to be conscious of. Please always check your statements. Yeah, it can be stressful going back and forth checking your statements whenever you shop online. Like, let's see what has happened, but it is very, very expedient. I'm telling you this from my own experience. That's just another tip that you should be mindful of. Change your password as often as you can. Even make sure that your password is strong. Like, use a mixture of uppercase, lowercase words and signs when you're making up your password. Finally, whenever you're online, check the privacy setting of your device always. Yes, that's like everything that can help you at this time buying online. And of course, this would go, and I'm rooting to give someone this though it says after sun. It says after sun. I didn't do my own research very well, so this would be a giveaway, but you have to reside in Canada for me to post this out to you. So you have to be in Canada for you to have this, and please put in the comment section why I should give you this. Yeah, thanks so much for watching my video today. And if there are any other ways that has helped you in shopping online, if there are any other ways, precautionary measures that you've taken shopping online, please put it in the comment section and let us learn 1 or 2 things from you. More than ever before, we have to be safe online, especially because there are so many activities happening online now. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, on this channel we talk about how to make money, how to save money. I share business ideas, save income ideas, and I take you around the town of Kitchener-Waterloo just for you to see how life is here in the part of Canada where I live. Please, if this sounds interesting, if this is something you care on knowing more about, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will always come back to watch my videos. If you want to know more about business, if you want to know more about passive income ideas, please check the playlist. I have it all in the playlist. These are helpful videos that would help you get started. And let's link on Instagram as well. Like I said, the month of October is for giveaway and I have some things planned already. Let's continue the party on Instagram. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always rocking with me on this channel. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Like, subscribe, share my videos. Bye.